I will show you how to assemble parts to be a single product in CATIA to understand the basic assembly features. Watch our previous video to create all of the parts in this video. Open Start, go to Mechanical Design, and select an assembly design. Right-click the specification tree head and select Properties to edit the product name or part number. Select the product head. Click Existing Component with positioning to call the base or main component. Select Fix and click OK. This feature is usually used for fixed or main component. Click Existing Component to call the other part. Click Manipulation to move the part according to Preferences axis. We can also call multiple parts using existing component features by selecting all parts that we want to input to the assembly or the product design. We can see that the parts are piled up. Click Manipulation to move the parts. Make the parts are reachable. If we want to duplicate the part, just right-click the part in the specification tree, select Copy, proceed to right-click the product in the specification tree, and select Paste. The parts is duplicated, but I will move it using manipulation later. Click Coincidence Constraint to make the axis between two parts are aligned. Click Contact Constraint to make faces between two parts are attached by clicking two faces that we need to be attached each other. Click Update All icon to update our assembly constraint command before. Do the same thing with the other part to make it align and attach to the pad part. Click Manipulation to move the multipled ring, so the ring can be reachable. Next, we want to attach the ring to the product before we attach the nut and bolt using coincidence constraint and contact constraint features for the all rings. Use the coincidence constraint to make the axis between bolt and the main part axis are aligned. Use contact constraint to attach the inner bolt face is attached on the outer face of the ring. Click Update to execute the command. For the nut, the command that we use is identical with the bolt assembly, using coincidence constraint and contact constraint features to make the bolt is aligned with main part axis and attached to the lower ring face. Click Update to execute the command. Congratulations! We have finished our parts design and assembly process. Don't forget to subscribe and watch our other videos. I believe we can be an overpaid engineer if we keep learning new knowledge every day.
Thank you.